Hi friend, I am Harish Kamble. In this video, I am going to explain about reproduction in Markensia. And these following 3 points I am going to cover in this video: gametophytes, sporophyte, alternation of generations, means life cycle of Markensia. Previous video I have explained about the thallus structure of Markensia. So this is the Markensia thallus. Why it is called as thallus? Because in this type of plants there is a no root, no stem, and no leaf or leaves present. So if the root is absent, stem is absent, leaves are absent, then the body is called as thallus. So this is the thallus of Markensia plants. It is up to 2 to 3 inch flattened plants. It is not a much higher, taller. And on these plants, this is the dichotomously branch, and on these plants there are cup-like structure called as gamma cups, which is take part in vegetative reproduction. Markensia plants is dichotomously, means male plants and female plants are different. This is the male Markensia and female Markensia. Two different. Male Markensia produce anthradiophores and female Markensia produce archegoniophores. This is the difference. So, archegoniophores and anthradiophores. Male Markensia produce anthradiophore and female Markensia produce archegoniophore. So these in the anthradiophore there is a formation of anthridium upper side, and in the archegonium there is a formation of archegonia lower side. Their structural difference is this is a ray like and this is circular disc like. The structural difference between male anthradiophore and female archegoniophore. These anthradiophore produce sperm and archegoniophore produce archegonium, and in the archegonium there is a eggs develop. So first see male plants. Male plants produce anthradiophores at the notch, and this look like as this is circular disc, and on these circular discs, so this is a circular disc, and on the upper side there are small spores develop. Spores are there called as ostiole, and inside these there are anthridium develop. See there, when we take a section we will see here this is the cavity formed, and in that cavity there is a formation of anthridium, and in that anthridium there is a formation of sperms. These sperms are anthrazoids. We can say sperms are anthrazoids. These are biflagellated. So this is the Markensia anthridia. So many anthridium formed on the upper surface of anthridia, disc-like structure. It is called as male receptacles. This is the part. This is the structure of anthridia. This is the sperms produced in the here. It is called as sperm or anthrazoids. Two names we can use. Next one is female reproductive organ is called as archegoniophore. So archegoniophores is developed on the notch or at the notch at the end, and this is the ray-like structure. See here, ray-like structure developed. This is the stalk, and all this structure is called an archegoniophore, and at the tip of archegoniophore there is a ray-like structure develops. And so look here, and below this ray-like structure or under lower surface or under this ray-like structure there is a formation of archegonium. So the difference between male and female: in the female archegonium, at the lower side archegonium form, and in the male anthridiophore, anthridium is formed at the upper surface. So when we take a section of archegoniophore, there is a formation of archegonium. So archegoniums have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here this side there is a 5 archegonium developed. This whole structure from here, this whole structure is called as archegoniophore, and at the lower surface of the archegoniophore, archegonium formed, and in that archegonium there is a egg cells formed. So these all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 archegonium is covered a curtain like structure called as pericytium. Is called as pericytium. This is a curtain like structure. Here curtain like structure, and in that curtain like structure there is a archegonium. This one is archegonium main, and in that archegonium there is a egg cells presence. See here, this is the archegonium. It is a pericytium is there, and here archegonium is the sections taken. So here male and female. So male Markensia produces anthridium here, and female Markensia produce archegonium. Anthridium, archegonium. These are the reproductive organs of the Markensia. In the anthridium there is a sperm form, and in the archegonium there are these are covered by the various layers. Outermost layers, this one here, and inside this perigynium, this one is perigynium. See, perigynium. This is perigynium, and below the perigynium there is a ventral canal cells. These are the ventral canal cells. See, these are the ventral canal cells, and inside these ventral canal cells there is a formation of egg cells. Egg cell is here. These ventral canal cells is a mucilaginous substances formed by the neck cells, and sugary substances formed, and anthridium, in the anthridium the sperms or anthrazoids produce. These sperms and anthrazoids move from anthridium to the Archegonium's eggs, where they fertilize. Here they fertilize. Fertilization takes place. After fertilization, this egg cell converted into oospore. This egg cell is converted into oospores, and oospore is developed into sporophyte. So in the here structure, this is the Antheridium, this is Archegonium. Antheridium produces sperms. These sperms, so many sperms are produced, and only one goes into the Archegonium and fuse with the egg. So the fertilization takes place here. After the fertilizations, this egg, diploid egg, is converted into sporophyte. This is converted into sporophyte. This is the sporophyte. This sporophyte is hanging here. Sporophyte is developed here. Remember, 5 sporophyte may be developed after fertilizations here, because there are 5 archegoniums. So 5 sporophyte develop on the gametophytes. Such a structure. So this is called as sporophyte. Sporophyte developed after fertilization. Sporophyte is divided into 3 parts. One is a foot, seta, and capsule. 3 parts: foot, seta, and the capsule here. And this one is covered by X vector. Next cells is converted into calyptra. So there is a cover former is calyptra. So in this capsule, there is a formation of spores. These spores are formed asexually in the capsule. These are spores is formed. This is spore mother cell, and one spore mother cell divided and form 4 spores, haploid spores. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 from a single spore mother cell. So spore mother cell develop here, and it is divided meiotically and form 4 spores. These are the haploids, the half in number. Then these spores, some spores develop into Antheridium, some spores develop into male plants, male Marchantia, and some spores develop into female Marchantia. So this cycle is called as alternation of generation, because there is a sporophyte is just 2n number, and gametophyte is a single number, means haploid, only one set of chromosome presence here, and here in the sporophyte there are 2 set of chromosomes present. So it is called as sporophytic, because sporophyte develop here. The gametophyte because gametes develops in this stage of Marchantia. So these spores develop into male Marchantia, this spore develop into female Marchantia. Female Marchantia produce Archegonium, and male Marchantia produce Antheridium. Antheridium produce sperm, Archegonium produce egg. When they fertilize, there is formation of oogonium or zygote. Oogonium is also called as zygote. These zygotes develop into the sporophytes, and these sporophytes meiotically divided and produce spores, and these spores again germinate and form male and female Marchantia. So the cycle is repeat. So this is called as life cycle of Marchantia. Thank you.